Ugh. Don't just hate it when you don't have enough light, but you can't quite get the button. Hang on. Stream Deck Mobile is the best way to use a Stream Deck without using a Stream Deck. And it means that I can Stream Deck here, Stream Deck here, Stream Deck here, and Stream Deck here. The sky is the limit on what you can concoct on a wireless Stream Deck. Get the software installed onto your iOS or Android device and onto your computer, and you can control all of the same stuff that you would on a hardware Stream Deck with the same Elgato software that we know and love. So even if your favorite piece of hardware is just out of reach, you can still party on!